Once you start using Word a good bit, you will find that there are certain icons that are your go-to icons, or certain things that you want to do very frequently. Those are good candidates for putting into your Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar is located in the top left-hand corner, and there are some stock items that are already there for you. If you hit the little down arrow at the end of that, you'll see some other items that are very popular to add. In order to turn these on, you just simply click on them once, and you'll see the icon appear in the Quick Access toolbar. Let's say that you want to add something else, though, that is not in this area. Then you would come down to More Commands, and it will show you a list of popular commands, but if you hit this down arrow and go to All Commands, it will give you every single command that you have in Word. So the problem with this, it's great that you have all those commands, but the problem with this is that you have to know what to call the icon that you're looking for. And as you can see, there are quite a few repetitious names here on some of these icons. If I did, let's say, want to add my address book, I could click on that, choose Add, and anything on the right-hand side will be listed in my Quick Access toolbar. If I click on OK, then you'll see that appear. An easier way to do this, I think, though, is once you find what you're looking for, let's say that under the review, I tend to add comments a lot to my documents. Once I find this icon that I want to use very frequently, I can right-click on this and notice what the first option is. It's Add to Quick Access Toolbar. So I can choose that, and there it is. If you put something on the Quick Access toolbar that you no longer need, what you can do is you can right-click on it and choose Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. When you select that, it will take it off the Quick Access toolbar. If you have multiple things you want to take off, it's better to go to the More Commands area. Select the item that you want to take off, and then simply click on Remove. Once you've taken everything off of there that you no longer need, then you can click on OK. This is useful if you're working on a certain project where you're using certain icons very frequently, but you're not going to use that on future projects. The Quick Access toolbar is very useful. You can put icons on there that you use frequently, so you don't have to go throughout the ribbon in order to find what you want to do.